Hello. In this video, you will learn how to record your conferences in Proficonf. For owners of RPO and premium plans, there is an opportunity to use the functionality of video recording, which allows you to save your best events. Host can record up to 5 hours in a single file. The number of records per one event is not limited. Please note that premium plan owners can activate the auto-record function for a scheduled event and permanent rooms. This ensures you that video recording will start automatically immediately after the event begins. Go to the conference room and activate the recording. There is a record button in the upper right corner, and by clicking on it you will see a record setup menu where you can enable or disable chat recording. Enable or disable recording of users' thumbnails on the main screen. Record only the display of the organizer's window. And also the button to turn on and stop the video recording. Note that you can change the video recording settings at any time during the conference or during the preparation for recording. By clicking the Start Recording button, the system will notify you that recording has started. To stop recording, press Stop Recording button. Your record will be converted and saved in the Files section of the event page and in the Files section of the Share Center. The duration of the conversion process depends on the duration of the recording and usually takes several minutes. After conversion is complete, your recorded file is available in MP4 format. The volume of 1 hour of recording will be approximately 400 to 600 megabytes, depending on the content. A video can be demonstrated or shared with participants during the current or any next conference. To do this, go to the Share section in the conference menu, select the Files section, select the desired record from the file storage, and then click on the corresponding action icon. Also in this menu, you can download file, delete file to the files bin, and check the file storage capacity. You can also download the video in the Files section of the Events page. To do this, you'll need to select the desired recording and click the Download File button. You can also do it in this menu. Delete a file to the files bin and find out the file storage balance. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.